Hello, folks, and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Linpa World T3. These are sports or fitness earbuds for the persons who like to jog and go to the gym with their Bluetooth headset on. Now, if you are not new to the channel, you'll realize that this is not the first Linpa World product I have done. I really do like the brand. They gave quality products for an inexpensive price, and I have to give it to them. I actually own a pair of Linpa World T2 earbuds. The sound is really good and bass heavy, and I also own a Linpa World BS1, which is their Bluetooth speaker, which I bought personally. But just for transparency, the Linpa T3s, I got them from Linpa World for review. Anyhow, let's dive right into the box and see what you get with T3 and how the product looks and feels initially. So the Linpa World T3 are sports earbuds that come with Bluetooth 5.0 for better battery saving capabilities and better range. You also get deep bass, a built-in mic so you can actually answer your calls and do calls from the headset, and it is IPX7 waterproof certified. Also, it comes with a carrying case that also charges the product, and you will get 54 hours of playtime. Am I reading that right? Okay. You can get 54 hours of playtime with these earbuds. Nice. So in the box you get a little thank you card, and this is also your warranty card as well, and it gives you some instructions to join their Facebook page, which I must say you should. Their Facebook page gives away a lot of items and also a lot of discount codes, and there is the best place to actually go and redeem your warranty. So if there is something wrong with your product, you can head on over to their Facebook page and just talk to a representative there, and they will gladly help you out and fix the problem as quickly as possible. Yeah, this is the carrying case, and it feels really nice, and it looks very expensive. Wow. It is a suede-like leather feel, and you have a USB port at the bottom to charge the whole carrying case and also charge what's inside. And at the bottom you will get a micro USB cable to charge the case and the headsets that are in the case. It is not on the long end at all, but at least it's included. You also get in the box replaceable tips for the earbuds, because everybody has different size ear canals. So if you have a small one, you can replace it with the small ones, or if you have a big hole ear canal, you can replace it with the big ones. You also get a user manual in the box, which I highly recommend you read, because these things are tricky to pair if you haven't done it before. Wow, this, oh man, this looks and feels nice. You also have a little compartment you can push your replaceable earbuds, and you can also fit your USB cable in there as well, which is pretty nice. So you can carry everything in the case. You don't have to have anything outside of the case. So when you take out your earbuds or you need to charge your earbuds, everything is in one location. The charging case itself seems to be magnetic, so you don't really have to be fiddling around to actually place it back in the right order. It just snaps back in place, start charging, and you're good to go. Now, if you're interested in this, it is pretty inexpensive. Right now, it's $39.99. That's $39.99. And you can also tick off a coupon that gives you additional 30% off. Now, the full review is coming pretty soon, so if you want to wait on the full review, fine, but the link is in the description that sends you right to the Amazon page to purchase these earbuds without no hassle. Anyhow, folks, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Continue to tell your friends. And until next time, peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when there's sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.